Hey everyone, ever wonder what the future really looks like? Well, today we're jumping ahead to 2026 to check out the top 10 AI tools that aren't just changing the game, they're rewriting the rulebook entirely. Let's dive in.
So, before we kick things off, just think about it for a sec. How is AI going to change your world in 2026? Because, it's a lot closer than it seems. And these are the 10 tools that are leading the charge.
All right, let's kick off our countdown. Coming in at number 10 is a tool that's all about bringing some much-needed order to your digital chaos.
And that tool is Cogniflow. I want you to picture a personal assistant that doesn't just organize your stuff, it actually thinks ahead for you. It plugs into your whole digital life and just streamlines everything. We're talking calendar, cloud storage, the whole deal.
So what makes Cogniflow so special? Well, it's all about that predictive power. It's smart enough to guess your next move, it prioritizes your most important emails, and honestly, if you're a student, it's an absolute lifesaver. Think about it. It can literally build you a custom study plan just from your class notes and syllabus. Pretty cool, right?
Okay, coming in at number 9, we're switching gears a bit and jumping into the world of marketing. This is a space where AI is totally transforming how brands talk to, well, all of us.
Say hello to Muse AI. This thing is like having an entire marketing strategy team in your pocket. Doesn't matter if you're just starting out or you've been doing this for years, it takes your goals and turns them into a complete, ready-to-go campaign.
The real magic here is its live intelligence. It's constantly watching market trends so your campaigns never get stale. And for a small business, it's a total game changer. Just imagine, a local coffee shop can whip up an entire week's worth of awesome social media posts in like 10 minutes. That's incredible.
All right, number 8 on our list. This one is completely changing how we create and listen to audio, everything from podcasts to audiobooks.
This is Aura Synth. And let me tell you, this is not your typical robotic text-to-voice. No way. Aura Synth makes words feel alive, with all the emotion and nuance of a real human voice. Honestly, it's getting super hard to tell the difference.
Yeah, that realism is exactly why Aura Synth is a leader in this space. You can even clone your own voice to get that perfect personal touch. Plus, it has a built-in music generator. So, if you're a podcaster, you can create a super professional intro with a unique voice and custom background music, all in one place. Wild!
Up next at number 7, we've got a tool that's basically giving us research superpowers. Seriously.
This is Scholar AI. Think of it as your own personal research team, on call 24/7. You can throw millions of articles, scientific papers, and books at it, and it will just pull out all the key insights for you in seconds. It's insane.
But what makes Scholar AI so powerful isn't just speed, it's how thorough it is. It actually cites every single source it uses automatically. So picture a journalist on a crazy deadline. Instead of spending days or weeks digging through decades of climate research, they can use this to find the exact data they need, fully cited, in just a few hours.
All right, number 6 is all about reclaiming your time. This is a tool that lets you put your digital world on autopilot.
And it's called Nexus Automate. The whole idea behind it is simple. You shouldn't have to waste your life doing the same boring, repetitive digital tasks again and again. And the best part? You don't need to know a single line of code.
Really, its biggest strength is how easy it is to use. It's just a simple drag-and-drop system, and the AI even suggests useful automations for you. You can connect all your favorite apps and get them working together. For an office manager, for example, it means no more mind-numbing data entry. It's just a smooth, automated workflow that saves a ton of time and cuts down on mistakes. Okay, we are officially in the top 5. Kicking us off at number 5 is a tool that's making everyone a professional designer.
Let me introduce you to Designify. All you have to do is describe your brand in plain English. Something like a modern, minimalist coffee brand with earthy tones. And bam, it generates an entire visual identity for you.
The reason Designify is in the top 5 is that it creates designs that are actually unique, not just cookie-cutter templates. It gets abstract ideas, like a brand's vibe, and it learns from your feedback. So a startup founder can literally go from a simple idea to a full professional brand kit in less than an hour. I mean, that is a total game changer.
All right, number 4. This one is an absolute must-have for anyone who codes.
It's called CodePilot Pro, and it's basically an AI partner that sits right inside your code editor. It suggests code as you type, helps you find bugs, and can even explain really complicated chunks of code in plain English.
Its superpower is just how versatile it is. It supports over 50 different programming languages. And get this, it can even translate code from one language to another. For a new programmer, it's like having a senior developer looking over your shoulder 24/7, helping you understand a confusing codebase and squash a tough bug in minutes instead of hours.
Okay, here we go. The top 3. And coming in at number 3 is a tool that is literally turning imagination into actual moving video.
This is RealForge. You just type out a description of a scene, and it creates a cinematic, high-def video clip that seriously looks like it was pulled from a Hollywood movie.
What's so revolutionary about RealForge is the amount of control you have. You can tweak everything. Camera angles, lighting, you name it. And it keeps the characters and style consistent from shot to shot. So a filmmaker could create a stunning movie trailer for their script without a single camera or actor. Just think about that.
Our runner-up, at number 2. This is way more than just a tool. This is something that's helping us tackle some of the biggest challenges we face as a species.
It's called Quantum Leap. It's a massively powerful AI that can model and predict how really complex systems work. We're talking about everything from how proteins fold in our bodies to the future of the Earth's climate. And the impact of Quantum Leap is, well, it's huge. It's speeding up the discovery of new medicines, making our climate models way more accurate, and it's giving scientists the power to find a promising new path for a cancer drug in weeks, a process that used to take years.
And now, the moment we've all been waiting for. The number 1 most influential AI tool of 2026 is...
Taking the top spot, it's Converse X. This is the next giant leap in conversational AI. Forget about basic chatbots. This is a creative partner, a personal expert, a reasoning engine. It's a tool so powerful it can actually command your other apps.
So why is Converse X number 1? It all comes down to its incredible ability to integrate everything. It doesn't just respond, it anticipates what you need and takes action. So a project manager can use it to brainstorm an entire project plan, have it write the emails to the team, and then, get this, tell it to create the first batch of tasks inside Cogniflow, which was our number 10 tool. It's the AI that ties all the other AIs together.
So when you look back at this whole list, it's pretty clear what's happening. In 2026, AI isn't just one big, scary thing. It's a whole toolkit. It's become our creative co-pilot, our personal data analyst, our productivity engine, and yeah, our automation architect.
And you know what the best part is? These tools are designed for everyone. So here's a little challenge for you. Think of one thing in your work or your life that you'd love to make easier. Just one thing. Then pick a tool from this list that could help and just spend 15 minutes playing with it today. That's it.
Because at the end of the day, the future of AI isn't